Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Joya and you are watching my channel JoyTech. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can increase your downloading speed at your Android device. Maybe you have done bunch of different things at your Android device but you still cannot satisfied with your downloading speed at your device. After watching this full video, you will get this how to increase your downloading speed at your Android device. So without wasting your further time, let's start today's topic. First of all, open your default browser. Like many Android devices have the Google Chrome as their default browser. Open the Google Chrome. Now here is search bar, type these words. After typing this, your search bar will be open like this. Now in the search flags, tap parallel downloads. Here you can see it has the default settings. You just tap on it and enable these settings. After enabling this, you will be see your downloading speed will be much better on your device. I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, please share this to your friends and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.